Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Defi Tiger coin or token on your Trust Wallet mobile app. Our first step is to recognize the site we're on, and that's coinmarketcap.com, link in the description. This is what we're going to use to get the contract address for the Defi Tiger. So our next step is by opening up coinmarketcap.com and searching for Defi Tiger. You simply scroll down till you get to the About section where we have its contract address. As you can see, it's built on the Smart Chain BEP20. Click on copy. Click on this copy right here. Once that's done, you minimize. Open up your Trust Wallet. Make sure you have BNB for transactions or other tokens that can be swapped, which are on the BEP20 network. Our next step is to simply click on Browse. Click on PancakeSwap. Give it time to load in. And make sure your wallet is connected. Click on this wallet connect icon. If it shows disconnect as I highlighted here, then it means your wallet is connected, but otherwise please connect your wallet manually. And our next step is going to be very simple. We're going to be clicking on this die right here, and we're going to be pasting the contract address we just copied. So press and hold, click on paste, and as you can see, we have the Defi Tiger DTG. Click on import. The risk is being scanned, so you click on I understand, and then click on import again. Okay, and it registers as a medium risk token, DTG. So what we're going to do, we're going to be exchanging our refinable or our cat girl. So let's go with cat girl. Both are medium risk. You swap this, click on max. Click on enable cat girl. Click on confirm. Click on swap. Click on confirm swap. Okay, proceed to increase your slippage tolerance to about 15 or 12%. Let's go with 12. Click on swap anyway. Click on confirm swap. Click on OK. A smart contract call is going to pop in. You click on approve. And click on add DTG to wallets. Click on OK. And now the Defi Tiger is going to be on our wallet. So you simply reload. Just reload. And with that reload, we have the Defi Tiger on our wallet. Click on this swap here and you can see what just went down. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can buy the Defi Tiger on our Trust Wallet, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.